Welcome. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze, allowing your awareness to turn inward. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly rise as you exhale. Release any tension, any worries, any thoughts that no longer serve you. Just let them go. Just focus on your breathing. Now, with each breath, imagine yourself stepping into a serene, ancient forest. The air is clean, crisp, and carries. You can almost feel the gentle breeze caress your skin. Notice the towering trees all around you. Their ancient trunks, rough with bark and covered in soft moss, reach high towards the sky, their branches forming a protective canopy above. Sunlight filters through the leaves on the forest floor, illuminating tiny flowers, wildflowers, and ferns. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Feel your bare feet, or imagine them sinking slightly into the soft, rich earth beneath you. It feels cool and alive. With each step, you absorb the grounding energy of the forest. Hear the gentle rustle of leaves as a soft breeze whispers through the canopy. Listen closely. Can you hear the distant babbling of a stream? Take a deep breath in and let it out. Follow the sound. Soon you find a clear, sparkling stream winding its way through the trees. The water flows effortlessly around smooth stones, creating a soothing melody. You crouch down, feeling the cool mist on your face, and watch as tiny fish dart through the clear water. This forest is a beautiful place of profound peace and healing. Allow yourself to fully immerse in its calming embrace. Breathe in the clean, oxygen-rich air, feeling it purify your body and mind. With every exhale, release any lingering tension, any stress, any negativity. Let the forest absorb it, transforming it into something beautiful. Take a deep breath in and let it out. As you stand among these ancient giants, you feel a deep connection to nature, something much larger than yourself. You are part of this living tapestry. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the cool earth beneath your feet, the gentle breeze rustling through your hair. All your senses are alive and present. Take a deep breath in and let it out. This practice of forest bathing is a powerful way to reconnect with nature and ourselves. about consciously engaging our senses to the natural world, finding profound calm and rejuvenation. Many find that bringing a comfortable mat or cushion can enhance the experience, allowing for a deeper connection to the earth. Now, as we begin to gently transition back, carrying this feeling of peace and groundedness with you, take one more deep, nourishing breath, filling yourself with the restorative energy of the forest. And as you exhale, slowly bring your awareness back to your body, back to the room you're in. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Notice how calm and refreshed you feel. This sense of peace is always available to you simply by taking a moment to connect with the natural world, even if it's just in your imagination. Hi, my name is Jack Hardy. I hope you like my videos, my meditation. I'm going to leave what I recommend for meditation, what I use, and leave a link in the description. If you click on the link and make a purchase, I may receive a small commission from Amazon at no extra cost to you, which helps pay for my content. Thank you for supporting my channel.